Just up the road from Maple Corner, this Calais home sits surrounded by woods, open sky, and the kind of natural beauty that makes central Vermont feel grounded year-round. Built in 2016 and set well back from the road, it blends modern efficiency with the warmth people look for in a classic cape. The main level is straightforward and comfortable: polished concrete floors with radiant heat, an open living area filled with southern light, and a wood stove that becomes the natural gathering spot. A bedroom, full bath, and laundry on this floor keep daily living simple. Upstairs, 2 bright bedrooms and another full bath offer clean lines, hardwood floors, and a quiet sense of space. CV fiber makes remote work easy. Outdoors, the property is made for anyone who values working the land or simply enjoying it. And when you're ready to explore, you have easy access to the vast trail network. Miles of skiing, snowshoeing, hiking, and biking right from your backyard. And when you need the convenience of a small city, Montpelier is only 15 minutes down the road. A home designed for efficiency, outdoor living, and the quiet character of Calais.